back to my channel. Thank you for watching the video. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, there is a mobile attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. To talk about the amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen, you require to receive photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.